We've just had a great meeting, a really good, very productive meeting. We have one thing in common. We want this city of ours that we love to do very well. And I wanted to congratulate the mayor. He really ran an incredible race against, a lot of smart people, starting with the early primaries against some very tough people, very smart people. And he beat them easily. And I congratulated him. And we talked about some things in very strong common, like housing and getting housing built, and food and prices, and the price of oil is coming way down. Anything I do is going to be good for New York. If I can get prices down, it's good for New York. And we've got them down, way down from last year. We have, as you know, I've been saying to a lot of people, Walmart said that Thanksgiving this year is exactly 25% less than last year. So that's good for New York, good for everybody. But I just want to congratulate. I think you're going to have, hopefully, a really great mayor. The better he does, the happier I am, I will say. There's no difference in party. There's no difference in anything. And we're going to be helping him to make everybody's dream come true, having a strong and very safe New York. And congratulations, Mr. Mayor.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Politics aside, progress comes first. A powerful moment of unity just happened in the Oval Office. POTUS and NYC Mayor-elect Zohran Mamdani had a historic meeting. The president called it very productive and shared a beautiful message. We have one thing in common. We want this city of ours that we love to do very well. This is the spirit we need. When leaders come together for the greater good, the people win. It looks like a bright new chapter for New York City. Do you love seeing this kind of collaboration? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to FameFlash.